Hello friends, welcome to TekTuts. In the last video, we created fog bomb virus. Now, in this video, we are going to create a application flooder that is also a virus. So, before starting with the script, make sure that you run this script in a virtual machine. So, fire up your virtual machine, and now let's type a script in a notepad. Script is very simple. Just create label, any label. Let's create label as hey. And what we are going to do is we are going to start some application and loop through that script. So let's start cmd, that is command prompt, start write, that is wordpad, start with notepad, start explorer, start any other application. Let's start calculator or anything else. Start calculator, that is calc, and then go to hey, that is loop through this process. But before this, let's turn off echo, else it will open cmd and print command. Let's save this on a desktop as a.bat. Now let's execute it. See here that it is opening all applications and flooding the application. That is, it is application flooded, as the name suggests. See, the failed to initialize properly. Click on OK to terminate the application. Now, see here that as we continue to stop, it continues to open new application. So let's shut down. See here that if you continue to stop it, it is not even shutting down. So let's power it off. It is giving error. So this was application flooder virus. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show another virus. Thank you.